everyone. I'm Bruce Schwartz. Thanks for the interest. Thank you so much for connecting, guys. The newcomers, the subscribers. I love you guys for it. Thanks a lot. There's so much happening, right, in space, and there's many channels out there that are now showing what's going on up there on the moon, and I'm happy to be a part of that group of magnificent channels. And look at the color. There's always color on the surface of the moon. That's the worst of it. This is some nice photography from yesterday's moon. And then we'll go see some live footage of the moon. And then right at the end, near the end of the video, we're going to go see the UFO for the first time with my telescope that I got as compared to usually with my camera. Well, I was filming the moon, and of course, as the moon is always moving, the closer you are in zoom, the faster it's moving. As my telescope is rising up, this is Archimedes, top left, and Montes Aponinus right there. Copernicus, Copernicus. You guys know Copernicus, right? I'm sorry, guys. I must receive about 50 emails a day about Copernicus. Guys, it was a joke. Okay. So, yeah, greenery on the surface of the moon, and not just greenery, structuring again. Under Montes Aponinus, Archimedes top left here, Mare Serenitatis, the big gray spot that you see there. And there's my telescope lining itself up. I said, I'll leave you guys hear the sound, beautiful sound of lining up a telescope. It's not small, it's big. Look at the line there going by there from dot to dot. You know, guys, these could be power sources. These lights on the surface of the moon would not surprise me as being power sources. I mean, there's something definitely unnatural and constructed about the surface of the moon. There's no denying that. So enjoy the rest of the video, guys. I'm going to get another one up right after this one. So I had some fun with Copernicus. You know, I got some emails from people saying, you're pronouncing Copernicus wrong. Who cares about the UFOs you found? I don't care if there's trees. You're spelling it wrong. You're pronouncing it wrong. Copernicus. It's okay. It's all good humor, guys. We got Then, to my surprise, well, I wasn't surprised, just lucky. Watch what happens. At the top of the moon, a light is coming down and pretty fast towards the dark side of the moon. Well, the side that we're not seeing in the line of light. And here it is on the top. And it's pretty impressive. And this is seen with my telescope, so I'm happy for the first time seeing an unidentified flying object come to the moon with my telescope. But here it is. And of course, I didn't expect it to come, so I wasn't looking for this. I'm actually inside as this thing is coming down up over the moon, and my telescope this is real time, by the way. My telescope is actually going upwards over the moon, right? Because the moon has now descended, and this object descending to the moon. So, whatever it may be, it had sporadic lights all coming from it. It basically, right, looked like a star. And we're going to see here in a couple of frames. I upped the exposure, actually probably about 90-95%, for us to be able to see the light even better, to see what the light is doing, how it's interacting. I mean, look, we're seeing even lights coming from either the surface of the dark, in the dark of Earth's side right now. This is what we're seeing over top, and this is slowed down. And of course, every time I slow it down, we see more detail of light. So